This is the prototype of the sunset clock. It's a clock that sets itself by detecting sunrise and sunset, and then using those to calibrate to local solar time at your location. To use the clock, simply put it somewhere where it will get a fairly direct amount of daylight and away from any source of artificial illumination. You can read the time by pressing the left button. In this case, you can tell it's 13:14 or 1:14 p.m. to us Americans. The right button will show you the current sensor value, and that's just a number. To set the threshold, which we'll use to detect sunrise and sunset, you can hold down the right button until you get a little clock signal, and then it'll show you the threshold level, in this case 150. I can turn that up using the right button. So here we have 151, 152, etc. Or I can turn it down using the left button. Here we have 151 and back to 150. If you wait a moment, that threshold will store itself and you can go back to reading the time. That's it. Enjoy the sunset clock.